Hello, Madanians!
What an incredible welcome day we had to begin academic year 2026-2027.
Seeing our returning families and new faces to officially start the experience in this academic year was truly special.
Standing together to sing Indonesia Raya and the hymn Madania set a beautiful unifying tone to welcome every single one of you.
Following that powerful start, the program presentation shared our vision for the year, reinforcing that education here is a deeply collaborative journey.
From the hall, we moved into the classrooms to meet the base teachers, the true anchors for our students.
Watching you all connect in those classrooms, sharing laughs and expectations, laid the perfect foundation for a year of trust and growth.
But, of course, the Madania experience goes far beyond academics. Out on the field and in the activity rooms, the energy was off the charts.
Students got a hands-on taste of our extracurricular programs, from sports to the arts and sciences. It was fantastic seeing them dive into new passions right from day one.
The welcome day was just a glimpse of the vibrant, supportive year ahead.
Thank you for making the welcome day a massive success. The foundation is set and we are ready. Experience Madania to the fullest.